So we've been going through the AI Agent Store website again, and one platform just keeps popping up.
You're talking about PXZ AI, right?
That's the one. It's being pitched as this all-in-one creative suite.
Yeah, for content generation, editing, the works. It's definitely ambitious.
Okay, so let's get into it. The goal here is to figure out what that all-in-one label actually means and why it might be a game changer for, small business owners or marketing teams.
Well, the basic premise is to have one single workspace
For everything.
for everything: image, video, voice, writing, even chat solutions. The idea is you don't have to keep jumping between different apps and subscriptions anymore.
Which is a huge pain point for a lot of people.
Yeah.
But what makes this better than just, using a bunch of separate free tools?
I think the real advantage is its multi-model approach.
Meaning it's not just their own single engine.
Exactly. It integrates some of the heavy hitters like Midjourney, ChatGPT 4o, and Sora 2, so you get to use the best tool for the job without ever leaving the platform.
Okay, that makes sense. So you can experiment a bit.
Right, and there's a consistency to it. For example, it might use something like ChatGPT 4o to analyze your idea before it sends a prompt to Midjourney.
So it refines the prompt for you.
It does. It looks at tone, composition, things like that. It just cuts down on the number of tries you need to get something good. Saves a lot of time.
That's a huge efficiency boost right there.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm always a little skeptical of these all-in-one platforms. They can sometimes be a master of none. What about post-production?
That's a fair point. But the way the sources describe it, it seems pretty robust. Think of it less as one appliance and more like a whole kitchen of specialized tools run by one smart panel.
Okay, so what kind of tools are we talking about?
Well, for images, you've got your instant upscaling, background removal, photo colorization, the usual suspects, but they're all right there.
And for video?
Yeah.
That's always the bottleneck.
For video, you can enhance, trim, compress, convert formats. It even has a multi-phase swap feature, which could be useful for creating mock-ups or training videos.
That does sound pretty complete. But let's talk about the constraints. What about the cost, and how much control do you actually have?
Good questions. It's a freemium model, mostly based on credits.
So a pay-as-you-go system.
Basically, yeah. And that brings us to the control aspect. It's really important to note this is an interactive content suite.
Meaning it's not a fully autonomous agent that you can just set and forget.
No, not at all. It needs you. It needs explicit user input for prompts, for edits, for everything. It's an incredibly powerful assistant for a human creator, but it doesn't run itself.
So the key function is to be a central hub, to streamline that whole creative process.
Yeah.
For an e-commerce store, say, they could shoot product photos, remove backgrounds, and prep them for the site all in one place.
Exactly. And the speed that gives you has bigger implications. I mean, think about it.
Go on.
When you integrate a top-tier text generator, an image generator, and a video editor all together, how does that change the skills a modern creative team actually needs?
A single person could potentially manage a workflow that used to require a whole team of specialists.
It's definitely something to consider.
A lot to think about for sure, especially when you're structuring your own team. You can explore more tools just like this at aiagentstore.ai. Thanks for joining us for this conversation, and if you found it useful, please take a moment to leave a rating.